Welcome, boys and girls. Day 5 to our progressive craft workshop. I'm so glad you're here to join me. Okay, so here's our canvas. Do you see what's missing? That's right, all the words to our verse. We've got to add those today. So let's review our verse. Our verse says, act justly, love mercy, walk humbly with your God. Micah 6:8. And remember, God wants us to do these things. It can be a little bit hard, and some days we may not have good days. We may not be able to act justly all the time or to love with mercy. So God helps us each of those days to do these things. We just need to try and remember and do what God wants us to do our best. What does act justly mean? It means to act in a kind way, to help and care for others. Love and mercy means to show kindness and compassion to those that may not treat you in a nice way, to show love and mercy. And then the last was to walk humbly with God. That means walking with God in a relationship, and you're not arrogant, you're not proud. Sometimes you have to give credit to others. Those are the things God wants us to do. So today, you're going to get to write the verse on your canvas. Now, you're going to need a pencil to do that first. I would suggest that you take your canvas and your pencil and you write the verse with pencil first so that if you make a mistake, you can erase it. The other thing you can do is those of you who may not be good at copying something, maybe your mom or dad could help you with this part. They can use the pencil and write the verse for you, and then you can go back with paint after they've traced the verse onto your canvas. Either way, the pencil is the first thing you're going to do. So I'm going to write the verse, and I'm going to write act justly over the handprints, and that's going to be at the top, just like mine. Okay, so you're going to write love mercy over the heart area because remember the heart represented love and mercy, showing love and mercy to others. And then when you write walk humbly, you're going to place that over the top part of your feet because our feet represented walking humbly. And then the bottom part, with your God, you're going to write over the center of the cross, with your God. And then the verse will go down on the bottom right-hand corner of your canvas, Micah 6:8. Then after you've written it in pencil and you think it's good, you're going to get your thinner paintbrush and your white paint. I would recommend white. Although you can use yellow, you could use an orange color if you wanted to. Try and use a color that's not already on your canvas so that it shows. And you're going to paint over your pencil marks, over the words that you've already written. Okay, boys and girls, so we finished painting over our pencil marks with the white paint, and it says our verse. So remember, Jesus lived by this verse, and he wants you as well to do that. And how can we do that? Well, one way is to take your canvas and to hang it somewhere in your house where you can read it each day before you leave, and to remember that he wants us to act justly, love mercy, walk humbly with your God. Micah 6:8. Boys and girls, thanks so much for joining me with this Progressive Craft Workshop. I hope y'all have a great summer. Bye.